So due to certain circumstances, that's a hard word to say, we had some storms not too long ago, a couple days ago. I know I kind of ended like right there, and I was gonna kind of move on up right here, but I have a big old tree that's in my way. So next time I'll bring the chainsaw and get that guy out of the way. This is part 5. Cool, enjoy. I mean, never mind, I actually moved it and it was so dead. That is why it fell in the first place. I guess we have to cut that sucker up for firewood. It is no longer in the way. Just the tip of the tree is what kind of hung over the trail, and it was rotten on the top. I just pulled it and snap, crackle, pop, it was gone from the old trail. All right, so today I think I'm gonna work this right here all the way to around that corner right there. Today, work that groove out, because every time I don't want to cut that tree right there with a side-by-side, it kind of hits the roof of it. So, I don't know, it didn't take me not too long, because the ground is actually soft from all the rain. Just to give you a good idea of how much dirt I have grazed, I guess you can say. Look at all that. Jeez Louise. One step at a time, one step at a time. Got it wide, getting it wider. Gotta cut those roots right there and kind of working my way on down. Just to give you guys a good idea of what I've done. All the new dirt that you kind of see the distinguish between the old and the new, the darker dirt, I have made that a lot wider. I know I'm going to get this little notch right here eventually, get that done, put some rocks on the side, but I went all the way up here and all the way to right there is getting there. All this right here, that's gonna take some work. I don't know if you saw the previous videos, but that rock is still embedded in the ground. All right, guys, this is the next morning, and we are going to start trimming out a little more right there, right here, and then we're going to work our way down and go from there. Let me catch my breath. You can see I am just making this piece a little bit wider, and I'm gonna stop probably right there for now and kind of go down a little further, just kind of work a different area and kind of work my way up. That's the intentions. So what I'm gonna do, rake all of that, what I just did, we're gonna put it on the sides here and get it more level, and then we'll go from there. Boom. Down here, down this hill, it's kind of leans a little bit to the right there. I'm gonna try to make that even, but I'm gonna go all the way down the hill. Let's get there right now. Anyway, this is the bottom here, and you can see where it kind of goes that way. It's kind of leaning like that right there. We're gonna try to work this hill right here on this side there, so it won't be leaning too much. That's how it all starts. You gotta start somewhere. So I just want to kind of walk over, it's about 15, 20 feet right off the trail, and just listen to it. It's beautiful. And I just wanted to kind of show you that. It kind of goes all the way up, and there's another little fall down there, and it kind of goes all the way down there to the left. It's crazy. It's beautiful. One big rock. There's Caden right there in his hoodie. I'm just right here, right off the trail. Big old rocks like that everywhere. And you can see the rock I was standing on right there. I think it's beautiful out here. I want to show you that, and that's why, one reason why I'm spending so much time on this trail, because it is just some good scenery, especially that big man right there. Goodness gracious alive. You can see where I kind of started right here, and on the next video, hopefully you'll see me kind of work my way up and move the dirt to the left right there. Make it even, just like I did at the very top. And eventually we'll meet them in the middle, and then we'll have some rocks on the side all the way up. It'll be beautiful. And then next year you'll see the leaves. You'll see the leaves kind of all over the tree, all over the trail, and it'll be beautiful. I cut all this stuff right here. It's hanging down. You know me. All that stuff right there. You'll hanging down. All that stuff I'll clear up. And anything that's kind of shading the creek over there, I'll probably trim all that up too as well. So, yep, you'll see it. You'll see it soon. It's coming alive. Appreciate y'all watching. Please like and subscribe and share and all that good stuff. It helps me out tremendously. There's a lot more footage than just this trail. I got another video I'm gonna post here shortly. So I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Love you, mean it. Peace out.